If you're trying to go from $0 to $10,000 a month on OnlyFans and you're feeling like it's just a bunch of guessing, scrolling, posting, praying, and hoping someone notices your link buried under a pile of manes and cat videos, this is the video you didn't know you needed. Because today I'm going to show you the OnlyFans funnel you actually need, not the recycled, just post more content stuff that gets tossed around like glitter in a kindergarten art room. I'm talking about a real strategy that works whether you're just starting or already earning and want to scale without burning out or turning into a full-time content machine with no off button. Now here's the thing most people don't understand. A funnel is not a website or a tool or a page with buttons. A funnel is the step-by-step journey that turns strangers into subscribers, and subscribers into superfans who stick around and spend more often. So let's walk through the 5-part funnel that turns a cold audience into a hot income. Part 1 is attraction, and this is where most people already mess up. If your content doesn't stop the scroll, it doesn't start the funnel. Attraction means catching attention with something specific, something magnetic, something that makes people say, "Whoa, I want more of that." That could be your vibe, your niche, your humor, your aesthetic, your storytelling, whatever makes you you. Instead of trying to be viral, try to be valuable and visible. Use hooks that spark curiosity like "this DM got me blushing" or "guess what I wore under this outfit." Create curiosity loops. Add movement, mystery, or mini challenges. The goal here is to get eyeballs, but the right eyeballs. You don't want everyone. You want the ones who lean in, not scroll past. Now once they've noticed you, you move to part 2, engagement. This is where you build relationship capital. Think of it like dating. No one proposes after seeing one photo, right? You need messages, stories, replies, comments, and calls to action that invite people to do something. Ask questions in your captions. Run polls on your stories. Create mini choose-your-own-adventure content. Let people vote on your next shoot, your outfit, or your playlist. When people engage, they feel seen. And when they feel seen, they're more likely to follow you to the next step, which is conversion. Part 3 is conversion, and this is where you invite your audience to take the next step into your OnlyFans world. You need messages, stories, replies, comments, and calls to action that invite people to do something. Ask questions in your captions. Run polls on your stories. Create mini choose-your-own-adventure content. Let people vote on your next shoot, your outfit, or your playlist. When people engage, they feel seen. And when they feel seen, they're more likely to follow you to the next step, which is conversion. Part 3 is conversion, and this is where you invite your audience to take the next step into your OnlyFans world. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just drop your link like a hot potato. Guide them to it like a trail of breadcrumbs. Use link in bio tools with labels like "My Exclusive Fan Club" or "See What I Can't Post Here." Give them a reason to click. If you're using Twitter, tease your content and add a CTA every few posts. If you're on Reddit, use the right flares and subreddits to build up interest first. If you're on Instagram or TikTok, use a soft bridge like a link to a freebie, tip menu, or private invite list that leads to your page. The most powerful conversion messages make people feel like they're missing out by not clicking. Say things like "OnlyFans saw the full thing" or "I couldn't post this here, so I sent it inside." Keep it playful, not pushy. That brings us to part 4, onboarding. Most people forget this, but your funnel doesn't stop when someone subscribes, it starts. Think of your OnlyFans page like a digital hotel. What's the lobby like? What do they see when they walk in? Do they feel welcome, excited, and ready to explore? Or are they confused and bounce? Your first message matters. Automate a welcome message that sets the tone, introduces you, and lets them know what to expect. Give them a mini tour. Link to your best content. Maybe offer a discount bundle or freebie to start. Use a friendly tone. Something like "So glad you're here. I just dropped my new series this week and it's fire. Want the first look?" Create structure. Label your content. Use folders or tags. Make it easy to find and easy to want. That brings us to part 5, retention. This is where the money really stacks. It's way easier to keep a fan than find a new one, but most creators treat their subs like strangers once they're inside. Don't do that. Treat your fans like friends. Give them reasons to stick around. That means fresh content, but also connection. Use scheduled messages, themed weeks, custom content, behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, and interactive polls. Run tipping games. Celebrate milestones. Thank your top tippers. Use their names when possible. Loyalty is earned through consistency and care. And here's a bonus part 6, upsell. Once fans trust you, they're more open to higher value offers. Think bundles, customs, fan club tiers, private chats, video unlocks, or even mentorship if that fits your vibe. The key is to create value ladders, not spam ladders. Offer more depth, more access, more story, not just more of the same. If someone spent $20 once, it's because they felt something. If they spend $50 or $100, it's because you deepen that feeling. Remember, funnels work best when they feel human, not robotic. Now, I know some people your funnel and imagine a complicated map with arrows and buttons and things that beep. But it's not like that. You already have a funnel, you just might not be using it with intention. Every post you make is either leading someone into your world or leading them away. Every caption, comment, and clip is part of your system. So make it count. Create patterns. Turn curiosity into action. Turn action into trust. Turn trust into income. And if you're wondering what makes this funnel different from the dozens of cookie-cutter ones floating around, here it is. This funnel is flexible, brand-based, and emotionally driven. It's not just tactics, it's experience design. And when you combine good systems with a strong story, you get fans who don't just subscribe, they stay, tip, and talk about you. That's the power of a real funnel. And if you're sitting there like, wow, this is a lot, don't worry, you don't have to do it all at once. Start with one part. Maybe it's improving your welcome message. Maybe it's rewriting your LinkedIn bio. Maybe it's adding more engagement to your stories. Pick one area, build it, test it, then move to the next. Funnels aren't about speed. They're about direction. And if you're pointed in the right direction, you'll get to 10,000 a month faster than you think. And since I promised a low rhyme, here you go. Build with care, not with spam. Lead them in just like a plan. Treat your fans like part of your brand, and soon they'll tip with both their hands. And if this helped you even a little, show some love by liking this video like it's the best slice of pizza you've had all week. Subscribe if you want more strategies that make your business boom without burnout, and share this with a creator friend who needs a better plan than just post and pray. Watch another video if you want more real talk tips without the fluff, and if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, book a call with me, join our school community, or reach out for consulting. I'd love to help you build a funnel that flows, grows, and makes those digital dollars glow.